This is Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. You can see super clean roads. So this is African roads as you have been showing. This is Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. So setting examples also.
Light. Shoot.
Yeah. So you can see the green lightings and other things all the way, all of them on point. And the bus you see, the minibus or coaster you see in front of me, these are city buses. Yeah, they just walk over here taking you around from one point to another. Even the other which are passes from the opposite side are also city buses. So we are here farming, exploring, and you can see different brands for vehicles which are just appearing over here. Tall buildings you can see over there with flats and other things.
Right side industrial area.
Yeah, in the grid. Yeah, industrial area you can see available over here. So in case you want to invest anything in Tanzania, it's still a virgin land needing full of potential, so you can just come invest in any of the industry. You can take industries such as breweries on drinks, or you can go further on
right side also.
Oh yeah, also right side also we can see also in the industrial areas where you can build the industry, set the pipeline industrial, and many more others. Still there are a lot of opportunities this country needs from you, so you just have to invest. You got to have that capital and the idea behind, so that to stand up in the market area.
No, this is the time for going in the city to work. Anatoka majumbani wanakwenda wakazini, ndio maana foleni inakuwa kubwa. Foleni ya kwenda mjini.
This is the jam or traffic going to the city center. That's why you see a lot of people are just trying to go for work. It's early in the morning now, 9 a.m. So people are rushing into works. That's why we see a lot of jam or traffic on the roads like now. So here is Dar es Salaam, and traffic, is the biggest city here in Tanzania, and more developed one also for business purpose, industrial, touristic destination, as well as a lot of potentiality can be found into this area. That's why it is so crowded. And now it's early in the morning, people are rushing into works. That's why you see it, a lot of jams created. So over here, as we said, the country is still full of potentiality and other things, so meaning you can invest in different kind of business ideas or ventures you wanna pull up into, such as you can start with maybe food, restaurant and other things. I've seen a lot of diaspora moving back over here, or brothers and sisters, blacks who lives abroad, independent, being the UK, US or other country, Dubai, whatsoever, are moving back into the motherland in Tanzania. But no matter which country you're coming from, as long as there is potentiality and you can do business here in Tanzania, these borders are just lines, doesn't limit us to do business with ourselves. So you can come here and invest with full potentiality.
This is also industrial area, Tabata area. Sio kule lakini sio mwingine tofauti.
Ulikuwa Upanga, si ndio?
Kule ilikuwa ni njia ya airport. Sasa hivi tuko na njia ya Tabata.
downtown. The environment.
Nje ya mji sio mjini hapo.
Nje ya mji hapo. Yeah, this is outside the city of Dar es Salaam.
Tabata.
Known as Tabata
Area. The right side industrial area also.
The right side also is still an industrial area.
Village workshop.
Yeah, you see some workshops and other different activities can be conducted. Yeah, so we are heading to the town. Though now we're still outside of the town.
Yes.
And models or brands for the vehicles available or most probably used here in Tanzania. You can see them like this one here we got is VITZ, and in front of it we got the other here which is Noah.
Some other cars from Japan.
Yeah. Several. Most of them are from Japan brands. Sold and used here in Tanzania.
Unaelekea
Chalinze.
Bungo ili pale yeye rahisi kumfahamisha. Kwa hiyo napenda njia za vichochoroni kidogo hapo saizi.
So these are street roads, not main roads, street roads here in Tanzania, and you can see also shops.
Tuna bahati mbaya na kuna pia ni sehemu za viwanda kule kiwanda cha Urafiki.
Yeah, but it's still industrial area. You can see also motorcycles or boda, which I told you is another business venture. Yeah, like this one you see them, these. Yeah, we're gonna discuss them in other videos. Yeah, so now you can see these are Mwendo Kasi or rapid bus transit, which saves actually a lot of time on rushing.
Hii njia bwana kuna Sinza hii. Huko Sinza, huko tunaenda Bungo. Kulia ni
ndo unatafuta kuingilia hapa hivi.
Business park. Hata kama tungepanga kukutana kwa Zoom.
Ya kuuliza. Kwa mfano kama vile mtu unapolipa 30 kila mwezi, kila siku, si ndio? Service inakuwa kwa nani? Service kama ikitokea service ndogo.
Wewe sio kodi gari kwangu?
Yeah.
Service inakuwa ya mwenye gari. Lakini wengine service anafanya driver. Ndio mpaka kazi.
Sawa.
Inategemea makubaliano.
So this is the way for the rapid bus transit. Mwendo Kasi, they call it here in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. And you can see also the buildings available, the architectural here in Tanzania. We got tall buildings, family